It's something big. So I just want to say thank you all. Thank you guys for having our event. I really appreciate it.
Jordan.
And I work for Burger King.
And I work for Burger King. I'm here today because I'm fighting for $15 an hour and a union.
And I'm with the fast food workers fighting for $15 an hour in a union. Before being right here, right now, we was just down the street at Wendy's doing the action fighting for $15 in a union. And we apparently shut it down. And that's exactly what we was looking to do. Because what do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? When do we want it? And if we don't get it? If we don't get it? If we don't get it?
What I can say is we're not gonna give up. We're gonna keep fighting and fighting till they give up. We're not giving up, alright?